What is it like to see all 10 dimensions of the universe at once? What kind of experience is that? Zero dimension. This is a point with no dimensions at all. Although a zero-dimensional point does not exist in reality, we use it all the time. For example, when you are heading to a certain location, the position shown on your phone's navigation is a zero-dimensional point. It has no size and no shape. Even if we can mark it on a map, we still cannot see it in reality because it is merely a placeholder in mathematical space, used to indicate the coordinates of a precise location. The first dimension, length. When we extend a line from a zero-dimensional point, we form the concept of one dimension. It has no width or thickness, only length, and can extend infinitely. For example, if you stand on a straight road, you can only move forward and backward, but cannot perceive left, right, up, or down. In other words, one dimension only includes movement along a straight line, just like going from point A to point B. And between these two points, there are infinitely many zero-dimensional points. The second dimension, width. When we widen this one-dimensional line, it forms a two-dimensional plane. At this point, it has length and width, but still no depth. If two-dimensional creatures existed, they could move freely in any direction, forward, backward, left, or right, but could never escape this plane, and could not imagine the existence of three-dimensional shapes. At the same time, the concept of width is everywhere in our lives. For example, when you want to pass through a door, you subconsciously think about whether you can fit through the doorway. The third dimension, depth. This is the dimension in which we live, used to represent the distance between objects. It gives us a rich sensory experience, allowing us to move freely in a three-dimensional world full of solid shapes and perceive the shape, size, and distance of objects. But the universe we live in is far from limited to this. The fourth dimension, time. It can connect the past, present, and future, and give meaning to the evolution of the universe and the cause and effect of the world, allowing us to recall the past, experience the present, and look forward to the future. It is like when we watch a movie. We can freely drag the progress bar and even pause or speed up the playback. But the difference is, in reality, time is like a river that always flows forward, forcing us to go only from the past to the future, and never able to go back. According to Einstein's theory of relativity, time is not fixed and unchanging. It experiences time dilation depending on speed and gravity. This means that the time perceived by each person is not the same. When someone is moving at extremely high speed or in an extremely strong gravitational field, time will pass at a different rate. The movie Interstellar vividly showcased this time dilation effect. Next, we will step into the fifth dimension and higher dimensions. At this point, your brain will face a huge challenge. Because we are accustomed to perceiving three-dimensional space, it is difficult to imagine the structure of higher dimensions. It is like a two-dimensional creature looking at a three-dimensional circle. It can only see a line and cannot see the whole circle's information. The fifth dimension, parallel universes. Imagine this. In front of you, there is a lush, branching tree. Each branch represents a choice in your life. Different choices will shape different worlds, and these worlds run parallel to your current world. According to current theories, the moment you make a choice, a parallel universe is immediately created. Different careers, different families, any choice will create a new branch, and thus experience a different future. It can be said that the fifth dimension encompasses all possibilities, showing infinite life trajectories. The sixth dimension, parallel universes plus time. If the fifth dimension allows us to coexist with worlds of different choices, then in the sixth dimension, time will connect all parallel worlds and allow you to see every parallel universe simultaneously. Although you can see how different parallel universes are connected, this does not mean you can know everything that might happen or will happen. Because in this dimension, you can still only see the past and the present, but still cannot see the future. The seventh dimension, multiverse. Imagine there is a massive cosmic library that contains all possible universes. Each universe has different initial conditions and physical laws, just like each book in the library tells a different story. Some are similar to our world, while others are completely different. Some have highly advanced technology, while in others, magic is reality. The seventh dimension is like the librarian of this cosmic library, able to access all different universes, experience various possibilities and laws, and explore the infinite diversity of the cosmos, witnessing the rise and fall of countless civilizations and cosmic wonders. The eighth dimension, multiverse plus time. It is a network composed of the timelines of all universes. Each node represents a significant event that could lead to a new universe branch. In this network, you can see the interactions between universes. For example, a Big Bang in one universe may cause the formation of another universe, or a civilization in one universe may communicate with a civilization from another universe, and so on. The eighth dimension reveals the intricate connections between universes and how historical events shape the fate of the cosmos, showing the grand picture of cosmic evolution. And such an incomprehensible high-dimensional concept currently exists only in the imaginative minds of physicists. The ninth dimension, super reality. Imagine you have a piece of paper in your hand that can be folded into various shapes, and each fold represents a change in the universe's initial conditions or in its physical laws. Each folding method can create a new universe. This is the concept of the ninth dimension, a dimension that contains all possible physical laws and initial conditions. Like the creator of the universe, it can create all imaginable and unimaginable universes, and everything in all dimensions, thus showing the infinite combinations of physical laws and initial conditions, and the endless transformations of cosmic structures. The 10th dimension. Here, universes no longer have directions. Time will also cease to flow. All possibilities will be gathered into a single point. It is both the end and the beginning. All things return to one. The universe returns to zero, as if nothing had ever begun, and as if everything had always existed. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button and share it to your friends. This means a lot to us. Finally, don't forget to subscribe our channel to not miss any interesting videos coming soon. Goodbye for now. Thanks for watching our video till the very end. If you find this video interesting, feel free to share it with your friends. Finally, don't forget to hit a like button and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video. Goodbye.